All right, hey Nashville, what's going on? It's Brian here with Dudes Pressure Washing. If you're thinking about getting your house clean for the summertime, getting it ready, getting all that algae off the side of your house, we just did a house wash here, a deck wash, and we cleaned the driveway, and we're going to be able to show you guys the before and afters. But that's it. So we're Dudes Pressure Washing in Nashville. We service all of Nashville, Brentwood, Franklin, Smyrna, Murfreesboro. Anywhere in the surrounding areas. We do house wash, deck wash, driveways, patios. We make that stuff look brand new. So if you're interested in getting any of those services done, give us a call. The link will be in the description below, and looking forward to meeting you. I'm Brian, I'm the owner. So yeah, that's it. Check out the rest.
I know the story of your life through winter storms and sun.